A child wants to be able to do something. Maybe wear their shoes. Maybe open a box. Maybe solve a small problem on their own. And in that moment, something much deeper is happening inside the brain. That engages the ECN, the executive control network, the part of the brain involved in focus, problem solving, holding attention, trying again. Future capacities are built here. The muscles that will help later in life are not built only through achievement. They are built in the act of trying. The child keeps trying because the emotional center wants to do it. That wanting matters. The more emotionally engaged the child is, the more the ECN tries to connect, organize, and work through the challenge. But at a point, sometimes despite trying very hard, the child and the ECN are not able to figure it out. Because the ECN is still developing. Sometimes there is simply a knowledge gap. The brain does not yet fully know how to do the thing the child wants to do. And then, the emotional center changes state. The child starts getting worried. With worry, the child gets upset. You can actually see the shift. The body tightens, the face changes. The child who was curious a minute ago now feels overwhelmed. But this is such an important moment developmentally. Children are trying to learn how to keep the ECN online even when they are upset. Not just how to solve the problem outside, but how to stay connected to thinking while emotions are rising inside. That is a huge life skill. This is where the adult becomes very important. When we move close, the child sees us and feels safe. Our presence helps settle the emotional center. And when they see that we still believe they can do it, they slowly begin feeling, yes, maybe I can do it. My mother thinks I can do it. My father thinks I can do it. So maybe I can do it too. The child calms down. The cortex comes back online. The ECN tries again. And many times, the child was never completely incapable. They were just stuck at one point. Sometimes you unlock just one small thing, and suddenly they carry on themselves. At this moment, two things can happen. We can overhelp. We can rush in and finish it because we are uncomfortable watching struggle. But if we help too much, the child slowly starts feeling, now the adult is here. They will do it. I don't have to actively work hard at this anymore. And the ECN stops staying activated in the same way. The child has to genuinely feel like they are the ones solving it. That feeling matters deeply for brain development. So after helping just enough, go still. Bring your hands back. Stop taking over. Let the child return to the process. Because this moment is not really about the shoes or the puzzle or the box. This is infrastructure building. This is how a strong ECN gets built for the future. A strong ECN helps a child stay with hard things longer, handle frustration better, regulate emotions under stress, pause instead of react immediately, think clearly when life becomes difficult, persist, recover, adapt. And slowly, over years, this is what helps a human being face life without collapsing every time something feels hard. And all of this starts in very small moments. A child wants something. They try. They struggle. They get overwhelmed. Someone helps them feel safe. And then they try again. Brought to you by Eunoia, rebuilding parenting culture to enable children to develop strong brains the first 5 years.